Well, you know what? When your car's clunking and banging and there's a problem, you don't know what it is, and you're concerned, you can count on the folks at Luke's Auto. The integrity and honesty here is second to none, and Luke told us why. And it even ends with a loaner car to help you get around while your car's being repaired. Well, Luke, good to have you and Luke's Auto on the show.
Thank you.
You know, one of the things, obviously people are keeping their cars longer nowadays. They're looking for quality service. They're looking for honesty and dependability. How do you differentiate yourself from other shops?
Yeah, I think the things that we focus on here at Luke's Auto are quality, convenience, and genuine care. So quality, we've made it a point to collect a team of great technicians. We stand behind our work with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. As far as convenience, we have 21 free loaner cars. You can see one of them right here. Yep. And we're also one of the larger independent shops in Columbus with 17 bays. So we have plenty of experts here to get you in and out quickly. We make a commitment to treat every customer the way that we would want to be treated. So that's kind of the things that set us apart and things that we focus on.
What about warranty? I know people worry about it. They get a repair. Is it warranted?
Yes, it is. We actually have triple the national average warranty at 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty.
Yeah, that's obviously very important when you have your car repaired. You know, one of the things I think a lot of people think about, well, if I got a Ford, I need to go to a Ford dealership. I got a Chevy, I need to go to a Chevy dealership. What about you? Do you specialize in any particular car, or can you service everyone?
We do it all. So that's kind of another unique is we have over 300 years of combined experience with our people here.
So Luke, what kind of repairs do you do here?
So we have extensive experience in all repairs and maintenance. So everything from electrical diagnosis to oil changes and tires.
Give us your phone number, again, your contact information. I'm assuming you have a website that we can learn more about Luke's Auto on, and let's get all that and get some viewers in here to get the car fixed right.
Sounds good. Yeah, you can call or text us at 614-885-2880, or you can schedule an appointment online at lukesautoservice.com.
Fantastic. Luke, it's a pleasure. Thanks so much for being on the show.
Thank you, Mike.